सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। ओम नमः पतंजलिभ्यः शब्द विद्या संप्रदाय कर्तृभ्यो वंश ऋषिभ्यो महद्भ्यो मुनिभ्यो गुरुभ्यः नमस्कारः and welcome to 252nd class today, 4th Feb 2015. As you know, Srinivas, we have been doing Karmani Prayoga, Karmani Lang Prayoga, Langi Karmani Prayoga, and in the immediate previous class we had come across Karmani Bhute Upasarga Prayoga. This is what has been going on for the last few classes, and the book is giving you many exercises so that you will not forget. Abhyasa, abhyasa, abhyasa. So if through abhyasa you can master this language. When mind can be controlled by abhyasa and vairagya, Sanskrit can be learnt only with abhyasa and not necessarily vairagya. So let us start, Srinivas. Adho nirdishtanam kartari vartamana kalika vakyani kartari karmani cha bhuta kale parivarte. So below are given the active sentences which you have to convert into both. Active voice is there in passive, active passive, and also active past tense. That is what the says, convert the following into sentences of past tense both in active as well as passive voice. So big exercise, whatever we studied so far is coming into operation here with 10 sentences which are done in two ways. Example is given by the book. Balaha chitram pradarshayati. So boy is showing the picture. Pradarshayati, not darshayati, pradarshayati. Pra upasarga purvaka prayogaha atra. Balaha chitram na pashyati parantu darshayati pradarshayati. He is not seeing, he is showing. So that is in the kartari bhute. First it is done into passive, active, past tense of active, and past tense of in passive voice. Balaha chitram pradarshayat. Pradarshayati is showing, pradarshayat showed. See the change in the initial upasarga. Pra plus a, what we did in the previous classes. Pra plus a is equal to pra. Darshaya is same. Ta, the ending, termination. The pratyaya is not ta in the past tense. Ta. Ta. Pradarshayata. That is in passive. Yeah. Ta. Takaranta inhala. So pra plus a plus darshaya plus ta. Balaha chitram pradarshayat. So in the same converted into with a little change in the passive, but the subject and the object go to passivity. Balaha goes to balena. Chitram is napumsakalinga, as we know already, and it comes to prathama as chitram only. Balena chitram pradarshiyata. Now here is a change here. Darshiyata, not darshaya. Pradarshayati, pradarshayat, pradarshiyata. Pra plus adarshiyata. That is the sandhi. Yeah. So in the previous class we could not write because of time. Abhyasa 216. Today you may look into the abhyasa written on the board. Shweta palake likitani uttarani pashyantu dasha padani santi kriya padani. Apakriyate iti tatra pustake asti tasya bhutakalika rupam apakriyata. संस्क्रियते इति धातु क्रियापदस्य समक्रियत इति रूपं भवति. विक्रियते इति व्यक्रियत इति. प्रकृष्यते इति पदस्य प्राकृष्यत. प्रणम्यते इति प्राणम्यत. So one is passive, another is passive past. Upastapyate, sixth is upastapyata. There is dirgha is. Upa plus astapyata, upastapyata. Dirgha will put. Samcharyate, samacharyata. Prakampyate, prakampyata. Then parikriyate, paryakriyata, refasya, tatra, paryakriyata, udahriyate, udahriyata, udahriyata. So in two places, the upa, dirgha is to be put here. Parya. So meanings I have already indicated. So those are the meanings for this. These are passive and passive past tense what the Abhyasa 217 is required. So please have a look here. Apakriyate is becoming apakriyata, samakriyata, vyakriyata, prakrishyata, pranamyata, upastapyata, was provided, samacharyata, prakampyata, becomes prakampyate, become prakampyata, pra plus a prakampyata, paryakriyata, udahriyata. So the making is already analyzed how the upasarga and the past tense making akara both join in sandhi. As a result you get apa dirgha, upa dirgha, sam plus a sama, pra plus a pra, pari E plus A is equal to Ya, Yanadisha Sandhi in ninth, Paryakriyata. Pra plus A mostly, V plus A in the third one, V plus A Kriyata, Vyakriyata, etc. So we are going to do the same here, Srinivas, in Abhyasa 217. So, Balena Chitram Pradarsyata, meaning the three meanings are like this. Balaha Chitram Pradarsyati, boy is showing the picture. Balaha Chitram Pradarshayat, boy showed the picture. Balena Chitram Pradarsyata, a picture was shown by the boy. A picture was shown by the boy. Now you read.
Krushikaha kshetram prakarshati.
Krushikaha kshetram prakarshati iti sadharana vakyam kartari. Now this is to be converted into past tense. Krushikaha kshetram pra plus a prakarshat. Simple past tense it is. Krushikaha kshetram prakarshat. The farmer tilled the land, till the can say field. Kshetra is field. The farmer tilled the field. So krushakena, next step, passive. Krushakena kshetram stands as it is. Kshetram prakrushyata. Pra plus akrushyata. This is akrushyata. Krushyate. Pra plus akrushyata becomes prakrushyata. The land was tilled by the farmer. The meaning is the land was tilled, cultivated by the farmer. Krushakena kshetram prakrushyata. 216 na? 217. Yeah. No mistake as prakrushyat. Second.
Bhaktaha devam pranamati. Bhaktaha
Devam pranamat. Now see the wonder how it becomes in past tense. Bhaktaha devam pranamati. Devotee is saluting the God, present tense. Bhaktaha devam pranamati. Pranamam karoti. Bhaktaha devam pranamat. You get prana sound here. Pra plus anamat. Pra upasarga. A bhutakalika. That augment namat. Because of refa, ra, raka, rashabhyam, nona. Last class we showed na. Ra influencing na becoming ana. Pranamat, pranamat. So Bhaktaha Devam Pranamati means a devotee saluted God. Devotee salutes God, devotee saluted God, God was saluted by the devotee. Bhaktena Devaha Pranamyata. Pranamyata, that is already there in the chart. Fifth one, yes. Pranamyata. That is there in the 216 Abhyasa, just written on the board. Pranamyata. Bhaktena Devaha Pranamyata. God was saluted by a devotee. Bhaktena Devaha Pranamyata. 3 Srinivas.
Rupaha Rajyam Pradadati.
Yes. Simple meaning of this active sentence is in Rupaha Raja Rajyam Pradadati Dadati Yachati Prayachati. King gives the kingdom. King offers the kingdom. King gave the kingdom. Rupaha Rajyam Pradadat. Pradadat. The king gave the kingdom. Rupena. What will be the? Rupena Rajyam Pradiyata. Pradiyata. The kingdom was given by the king. Rupena Rajyam Pradiyata. That is the Pradiyata is the Karmani Bhuti. Passive past verb. 4 Srinivas.
Chalakaha Yanam Sanchalayati.
Meaning, primary meaning of the sentence in active sense, Chalakaha Vahanam or Yanam Sanchalayati. Driver is driving the vehicle. Driver is driving the vehicle. Chalakaha Yanam Samachalayat. Samachalayat. Sam plus Achalayat. First step. Sam plus Achalayat. Samachalayat. Then Chalakena Yanam stands same. Samachalyat. Samachalyat. The vehicle Yanam was driven. Samachalyata was driven. Chalakena by the driver. The vehicle was driven by the driver. That's the sense we get. 5th.
Nayakaha Khalanayakam Parakaroti.
Yes. Primary meaning is Nayakaha, hero in a film or a drama. Khalanayakam, the villain. Khalanayak is villain. Khalanayakam Parakaroti. He rejects. He rejects the Parakru, the villain. Hero rejects or outwits the villain. Now, Nayakaha Khalanayakam Parakarot. Para plus Akarot. Para plus Akarot, Savaradirya Sandhi Parakarot. So the hero rejected the villain. Nayakena Khalanayakaha Parakriyata. Para plus Akriyata was rejected. Para is Upasarga. Akriyata in the passive past tense. Parakriyata. Nayakena Khalanayakaha Parakriyata. Khalanayaka Parakriyata. Next.
What is this difference between Parakriyata
And?
Parikriyata. Parikriyate.
Parikru. Where is Parikru?
In the previous
In this
216.
216.
9 Parikriyate. What is the meaning? Parikriyate, Parakriyata.
Parakru is to reject. Doing is meaning same. I think Pari Upasarga means around, doing nearby, etc. Pariyakriyata. With the Kuru Upasarga, so many have come actually, if you have observed. Isn't it? Upakri has come, Vikri, to change. Vikriyate, changing. Upakriyate is helping. Apakriyate, taking away, etc. So, Samakriyate, doing well. So pari is a upasargana, Srinivas. Pari means around. Pari means peri, like parikru, upakru, almost mean the same. Next.
Shikshakah Krishna Phalakam Samvarjayati.
Shikshakah Krishna Palakam, we have Shweta Palakam here. Sammarjayati. Teacher is rubbing off the blackboard. Shikshakah Krishna Palakam Sammarjayati. Vayam tu Krishna Palakam Sammarjayamah. Atra asyam kakshayam अस्माकं समीपे श्वेतपलकम् अस्ति, पलकं वर्तते. So this Krishna Palakam is a Napumsakalinga Shabda. Meaning is the teacher wipes the blackboard, rubs the blackboard, or teacher wiped the blackboard. Shikshakah Krishna Palakam amarjayat, samamarjayat. So you have to go slowly here. Sam plus a, sama marjayat, cleansed or rubbed. Now in the passive it will become Sikshakena Krishna Palakam Samamarjyata. Sikshakena Krishna Palakam Samamarjyata means the blackboard was rubbed by the teacher. The blackboard was cleansed or cleaned, rubbed by the teacher. Sikshakena Krishna Palakam Samamarjyata. Marjyata, that is the seventh.
Vayyakaranaha Swamatam Upasthapayati.
Vayyakarana means grammarian. In one word we say grammar scientist, grammarian. Vyakaranam yaha janati sa yaha vyakaranam adhitavan saha vayyakarana iti. Swamatam is on opinion. Swamatam is opinion. Upasthapayati, he explains or he puts forward his own idea. Swamatam is opinion. A grammarian puts forward his opinion, or a grammarian is explaining his opinion. Vayyakaranaha swamatam upasthapayati. Upasthapana means placing before the audience. See, I place my opinion before the audience. When we speak, what do? We say out things and then we put before the public. So like that, Vayyakaranaha swamatam upasthapayati. Either he is explaining or putting forward his opinion, placing his opinion. So that is a little meaning. Then past tense, Vayyakaranaha swamatam upasthapayat. Upasthapayat. Upa plus up, upasthapayat. The grammarian explained his idea or his opinion. The opinion was explained by the grammarian. So how does it go? Swamatam Vayyakarana swamatam upasthapyata. Sthapyata. Upasthapyata. His own opinion. The opinion of the grammarian was explained, placed before. 8.
Mata Deepam Prajvalayati.
Mata Deepam Prajvalayati. Prajvalayati. Simple meaning, mother is lighting the lamp. Mother is lighting the lamp. Mata Deepam pra plus ajvalayat. Prajvalayat. What is the number? Prajvalayat. Yes. Okay, no problem. Prajvalayat. Then Matra Trutiya Deepaha, Pulinga Deepaha. Prajvalyata. The lamp was lit by the mother. So Mata Shabda goes to Trutiya Matra. Deepa Shabda is Pulinga, Deepaha. So it becomes Deepam to Deepaha. Prajvalyata. 9.
Ramah Ravanam Samharati.
Very simple statement we have already noted. Ramaha Ravanam Samharati. Just like this we give in the beginning of sentence making. Now this sentence is there, Srinivas. Subject Rama, Ravana is object, Samharati is the verb. Subject, object, verb. In Sanskrit it is generally like this, but if you translate into English, what is Rama killed? Ramaha Samharati Ravanam. English way of doing. But if you put this way, anyway in Sanskrit for that matter, an English sentence cannot be changed its syntax because it is rigid. Subject, verb, object must be followed, otherwise meaning will not be conveyed in English. But a Sanskrit and all Sanskritized languages can be replaced. For example, you can take the Ravana Shabda to the subjective position, Ravanam, shift Rama to second position, Ramaha, Samharati, you put at the end, meaning is not changed. Whatever, so this is the one of the beauty of Sanskrit language, because every word is declined there, is declined, declension, what we say, inflected, highly inflectional language Sanskrit, and several other languages which are influenced by Sanskrit. So you can place any word anywhere, the meaning will be intact. What happens in generally in English, Rama killed Ravana, you put Ravana first and put next Rama, the whole Ramayana has to be rewritten. Ravana killed Rama. You can't change. The subject-object position is very rigid there, unlike in our Indian languages because of Sanskrit. Ramaha Ravanam Samharati, Ravanam Ramaha Samharati, Samharati Ravanam Ramaha also can be done. So Rama kills Ravana, that is the primary sense. Ramaha Ravanam Samaharat, Sam plus Aharat, Samaharat killed. Rama killed Ravana, and then Ramena Ravanaha Samachriyata, Samachriyata was killed. Maritaha. When we are going to next step, Tanta Prayoga, passive participle we are going to study, where this kind of clumsy way of derivation will be avoided. See, for example, Ramaha Ravanam Samharati, Ramena Ravanaha Maritaha or Hataha Maritaha. That way you can derive. Okay, Samachriyata, that is end. Last Srinivas.
Rameshah Daridram Apakaroti.
Daridram Upakaroti, not Apakaroti. So Ramesh is a person here who is helping the poor man. Rameshah Daridram Purusham, understood? Upakaroti. So Upakru is to help. So Rameshah Daridram in the past tense, Upakarot. Ramesh helped a poor man. A poor man was helped by Ramesh. Rameshena Daridraha Upakriyata. So this is how we do. Upakriyata has come? No. Samakriyata has come. Something like that. Apakriyata is there. Apakarta. Upakriyata. So Rameshena Daridraha Upakriyata. So what do you think, Srinivas? Not necessary, right? We have to write. 2 verbs only we have to write. No. The third sentence has to be written. 10 are there. Then we are going to Bhutektaha. Oh, immediately it is coming. Tanta.
Kartari Bhute only verb is can be written.
Yes, only verb. Next step we have to change the verb. That is it. How many are there?
10 are there.
Numbers I am not wiping. But I think I have to. There's a problem. Yes, tell me.
First one. Krishika.
What did you write? Abhyasa?
Just one second.
I have to write it.
7.
Sorry. 1.
Krishika.
What is the sentence, please?
Yeah. Krishika kshetram prakarshati.
So,
Krishika is not equal.
Kushikaha kshetram
Prakarshat.
prakarshat. This is the right. Next step. Krushikena
Krishikena kshetram
kshetram kshetram
prakrishyata.
prakrishyata.
Kshetram.
Right. 2.
Bhaktah devam pranamati.
Bhaktah devam pranamat. Pranamat.
Bhaktena. Bhaktena devaka.
Is it visible? I am going very slow. Now I think better.
Yeah.
Bhaktena deva.
Devaka. Pranamyata.
Pra plus anamyata. Pranamyata.
Nrupah rajyam pradadati.
Nrupaha rajyam pradadati.
Pradadata.
Pradadat. Pradadat. Nrupena
Rupena rajyam pradiyata.
praadiyata. Pradiyata.
चालकः यानं सञ्चालयति.
Sama
समचालयत्.
chalayat. This is past tense.
चालकेन
Chalakena.
यानं
Yanam stands same because napumsaka. Sama
चालयत.
chalyat. 5.
नायकः खलनायकं पराकरोति.
Parakarot. Nayakena
खलनायकः
khala nayakah. Para plus parakriyata. What is 6?
शिक्षकः कृष्णफलकं सम्मार्जयति.
शिक्षकः कृष्णफलकं सममार्जयत्. I can take up here. शिक्षकः सममार्जयत्. शिक्षकेण
कृष्णफलकं.
This doesn't change actually. Samamarjyata.
वैयाकरणः स्वमतं
स्वमतम उपस्थाप उप
उपास्थापयति
उप प्लस अस्थापयत उपास्थापयत वैयाकरणेन. So big word. Vayakaranena.
Dash.
That is what. Vayakaranena dash. Same.
Upasthapyata.
Upastapyata. Upastapyata. Right.
Mata deepam prajvalayati.
Mata deepam
Prajvalayati.
Prajvalayat. Matra deepam. Deep pullinga. No, deepa is pullinga. Deepaha. Pra plus ajvalayat. Prajvalyat. Prajvalyat was lit. 9. Ramaha Ravanam Samaharat. Samaharat. Ramaha Ravanam Samaharat. Ramena Ravanaha Samakhriyata. Akhriyata.
Rameshah daridram upakaroti.
Rameshah upakarot. Rameshena. This is last one. Daridraha. Upakriyata. Upakriyata. Or there may be some mistakes we have to see. Shushikaha kshetram prakarshayat. Krishakeda kshetram prakrishyata. Okay? Just see there, I will read. Bhaktaha devam pranamat. Bhaktena devaha pranamyata. Nrupaha rajyam pradadat. Pradadat. Any mistake? Dirgha is pradadat. One mistake. Pradadat. That is okay, no? Next. Pradiyata. Okay. Balakaha yanam samachalayat. Okay? Balakena yanam samachalyata. Okay. Nayakaha khalanayakam parakarot. Nayakena khalanayakaha parakriyata. Done. Shikshakaha krishnapalakam samamarjayat. Shikshakena krishnapalakam same samamarjyata. Fine. Vyakaranaha swamatam upastapayat. Vyakaranena swamatam upasthapyata. Mata deepam prajvalayat. Matra deepaha prajvalyata. Ramaha Ravanam samaharat. Ramena Ravanaha samakhriyata. Dashamam vakyam Rameshaha daridram upakarot. Rameshena daridraha upakriyata. All are correct, no? Okay. Let them have a vision for some time. Now, important, another very good point of grammar is coming up now, which I was just referring to, Srinivas. Bhute taha, taha. We have already studied tavatu, if you remember, in the first book, second book, somewhere. like Gatavan, Shrutavan, Likitavan, Maritavan, Drushtavan. So that is an extension of this Tanta. First you convert Tanta, verb, Kuru Dhatu, add Ta, it becomes Kruta. Mru Dhatu, add Ta from Tanta, you get only Ta and you get Mruta. Immediately it becomes past tense. Then on that, if you add Vat, then it becomes active. Gata, Gam plus Ta, Maka, Ma gets lost. Gata. Gata Dine. Mruta, Mruta, no change. Shru plus Ta, no change. Shruta, heard. Shrutavan, who has heard. So Vat added and then derived further. So that is what I think coming up now. Ktanta, Ktanta. Tak Tavatu Nishtha, that is called. Ta and Tavatu both are studied together. Tavatu was introduced in the previous classes. Is the time okay for them?
Yeah.
So Adhoni Nidishtani Vakyani Patata. Now read, just read 3-4.
Balena Pataha Apathyata Patitaha.
That means, Srinivas,
Balena Pataha Patitaha.
also equally correct. Instead of deriving, to derive apatyata, you have to have lot of memory background. But then karmani, yakara you have to add, then the atmanepada ending, these things are there. So instead of saying apatyata, which is regular past tense, take the help of tanta, immediately it is very easy. Balena, pataha, patitaha, patadhatu, patitaha. Same thing, lesson was studied by student, both mean same. Next.
Lekhakena lekha alikhyata, lekhakena lekha likhitaha.
No A will be there in Tanta. Watch. Tanta Padam becomes very short by this comparison, right? Alikhyata 4 letters, isn't it? Apatyata 4 letters, but here 3 letters only. A is not there. Lekakena lekaha alikhyata. A letter was written by the writer. Lekakena lekaha likitaha. Very easy. Likitaha was written, right? Shikshakena. Student was taught by the teacher. Shikshakena. Patitaha. Patitaha was taught. Apatyata was taught. Both same. Yes. Krishikena. Yes, now you have a change in the Tanta usage. It goes by the, in the passive, the object. Srinivas, the past participle Tanta is in keeping with the gender will be in keeping with the object. For example, Pataha, Pullinga, therefore Patitaha. Patitaha, whatever it is. Lekaha, likitaha. Chhatraha, patitaha. Karyam, then karyam you come na. Krushikena karyam. You can't say karyam krutaha. It won't go na. Gender agreement has to be there. Whereas Krushikena karyam akriyata. This akriyata is same everywhere. Pullinga same. Strilinga same, Napumsakalinga also the regular verb doesn't change. Like you take, I will more clearly tell you. Balaha gacchati, Balika gacchati, Yanam gacchati. Is there any change in the verb gacchati? For all the 3 genders, verb is same, regular. Similarly, alikhyata is same, apatyata is same for all the 3 genders. For example, Balena pataha, apatyata, or okay, you can take anything. Shikshakena chatraha apatyata. Shikshakena chatra apatyata. If there is a female student, chatra apatyata. Shikshakena yantram apatyata. Napumsaka, Pullinga and Strilinga. Apatyata is the same thing, which will not change. But coming to Tanta Prayoga, this object and that Tanta will have to have matching linga. Linga has to be matching, and also the Of course, here person is, the number is matching, but not the gender. Okay. I think you got my point.
Yeah.
Yes.
Vanarena phalam akhadyata.
Now again phalam is coming. Napumsaka. Vanarena phalam akhadyata.
Vanarena
Phalam khaditam. Phalam khaditam. Vahanam patitam. Patram patitam. Isn't it? So that matching is there. Next. Adhyapakena. Now you watch here. Vishayaha is Pullinga. Right? Vishayaha abodhyata was taught. Subject was taught by the adhyapaka, teacher. Adhyapakena Vishayaha abodhyata. The subject was taught by the teacher. Same thing. Vishayaha bodhitaha is also Pullinga because Vishayaha is Pullinga. Next.
Vyavasthapakena vyavastha
Akalpyata.
Vyavasthapakena vyavastha
Kalpita, which is more easy. Kalpita is very easy. Vyavasthapakena vyavastha kalpita. Why this is kalpita dirgha? Because vyavastha. Vyavastha means arrangement. Vyavasthapaka means the manager. So the arrangement was done well. Akalpyata was done by the management, by the manager. The arrangement was adequately done, aptly done by the manager. Vyavasthapakena by the manager. Vyavastha the arrangement. Kalpita means was done perfectly. So that is it. So akalpyata is very difficult sometimes to see, Srinivas. That. So next.
Nideshakena avasaraha adiyata nideshakena avasaraha dattaha.
So same way. Nideshakena avasaraha, an opportunity was given by the director. Nideshake adiyata. Adiyata instead of adiyata, dattaha. What is dattaha? Avasaraha dattaha. Pullinga. Avasaraha dattaha. Avasara means an occasion was provided by the director. Nideshaka. Director. Nideshaka.
Both are same.
Yeah, maybe same. Yeah. Almost. Girishena.
Jalam apiyata girishena jalam pitam.
Pitam. No, rhyming. Jalam pitam. Jalam apiyata. So Girishena is the name of a person. Water was drunk by Girisha. Water was drunk by the Girisha. Girishena jalam pitam. Next.
Malaya shatika adhriyata. Malaya shatika dhruta.
Adhriyata is very, you have to remember several processes there. Shatika dhruta, if you know this one dhruta, immediately. Malaya shatika dhruta. Sari was worn by Mala, a girl, a woman's name rather. So you just watch here. He is asking you to read and watch how apathyata is patitaha, alikyata is becoming likitaha, apathyata is becoming pathitaha, akriyata is becoming, because the karya is napumsaka kritam, phalam is there governing, so khaditam, vishayaha bodhitaha, vyavastha kalpitaha, avasaraha dattaha, jalam pitam, shatika dhruta. So if it is Strilinga, the Tanta is becoming. Now some explanation is provided here, Srinivas. Uparitana vakyeshu, in the above sentences, apatyata ityadi sthaneshu, in the place of apatyata, regular past passive verb, patitaha ityadi rupam prayuktam. What is used? Patitam is used. Patitaha is used. Patitaha ityadi means patitaha, likitaha, patitaha, krutam, etc. are used. Patitaha ityatra kta pratyayaha. So the book tells you this patitaha is the usage of kta pratyayaha. The what pratyaya means, the participle called ktanta. Ta pratyayantam rupam trishu lingeshu bhavati. Now this is very important for you to note, Srinivas. Ta pratyayanta rupam. Ta when it is added, it will be there for all the genders. The only problem with this tanta is, Srinivas, apatyata, if you go by the regular verb, it won't change as per the gender. Ramena, look at this sentence. Ramena Ravanaha Maritaha. Ramena Rakshasi Marita. See the change. Maritaha, Marita. Ramena Yantram Nashitam. Astram Nashitam. Maritam, whatever you say. So the change in the gender is there in tanta, whereas in regular verbs it is not there. A regular verb will not change according to the gender. It is the same for all the three genders. Three genders, like I have just given you, Ramaha gacchati, Sita gacchati, Yanam gacchati. Gacchati part does not change. And if you take that in past tense also, it won't change, Srinivas. Ramaha vanam agachat, Sita vanam agachat, Yanam vanam agachat. But if you take this tanta in the place of agachat, Srinivas, Ramaha vanam gataha, Sita vanam gatavati, or gata, Sita vanam gata, Yanam vanam gatam. See the change. The tanta has to agree with the object there. Ramaha gataha, Sita gata, Yanam gatam. Ramaha agachat, Sita agachat, Yanam agachat. Agachat won't change, whereas this changes. So please mind this last sentence. Ta pratyayantam rupam, any form having this ta participle, trishu lingeshu, in all the three genders, bhavati, it is available. Now more you can read, Srinivas. Now the book is showing you how they are derivables. Not only they are flexible, but they are derivables also. Added work with this. So how do you take patitaha? Like what shabda? It is looking to you. Pullinga. Like devaha devo, devaha. Like deva shabda, rama shabda you should derive. Patitaha patitau patitaha, patitam patitau patitan, patitena patitabhyam patitaihi, patitaya patitabhyam patitebhyah, patitat patitabhyam patitebhyah, patitasya patitayoho patitanam, patite patitayoho, patitasya patitayoho patitanam, patite patitayoho patiteshu. Like that it is derived. Next, patita. Read that.
Patita, patite, patita, strilinga.
Patita. How do you derive this? Lata, Rama, Prabha, Akaranta strilinga shabda. Lata, late, lataha is there. Patita, patite, patitaha. Sita, site, sitaha. Sitam, site, sitaha. Sitaya, sitabhyam, sitavihi. If you remember, Akaranta strilinga shabda, this goes exactly like that, Srinivas. Next.
Patitam, patite, patitani.
This is what, like, you know, what is the Akaranta Napumsakalinga shabda we studied? Vanam, vane, vanam, vane, vanani. Patitam, patite, patitani. Gatam, gate, gatani. Shrutam, shrute, shrutani. Like that, any, no. So they are derivable. Atra, now last line to finish this page. Karmanaha anusaram linga vachanadayaha bhavanti iti samyak smrata. Please remember properly, in this tanta usage of this participle tanta, karmanaha anusaram, according to the object, in keeping with the object, linga vachanadayaha. So the linga and vachana, the gender and the number will be changing. That you have to remember. So abhyasa immediately. Ta pratyanta rupaihi rikta sthanani purayata. Now you fill in blanks with the ta participle. Let us do, Srinivas. Janaihi puja kruta. Very simple. Puja kruta, rhyming. Isn't it? Kru becomes kruta. Now, what is the meaning? Janaihi puja kruta means the worship is performed by the people. Janaihi puja kruta. Worship is done or was done by the people. Sikshakena pataha. Now you tell me. The clue is given in the bracket. Simply convert into ktanta. Patitaha. Pataha. Patitaha sikshakena. So, if you were to use the regular verb Srinivas, you have to remember several things here. Sikshakena pataha apathyata. Understand? Apathyata. Apathyata. Instead of that, patitaha. Why patitaha? Because of pataha pullinga shabda. That is it. So you read third one.
Kavina kavita
likita. Kavita strilinga. Kavina kavita likita. Rhyming also. Kavina kavita likita. Poem was composed by a poet. Poem is composed. We sometimes translate in is composed or was composed. Doesn't matter, Srinivas. Tasya cha vartamani. Sometimes you understand in the present tense, though it is a past tense making participle, Srinivas, sometimes we understand it in present tense also. Next, 4.
Balakena chitram.
Drushya plus ta become drushta. Drushtam. Chitram drushtam. A picture is seen by the boy, was seen by the boy. Chitram drushtam. Not drushitam, drushtam it becomes. Like we say na, drushtam, what is not drushtam is? Srinivas. What is not drushtam is called what? Drushtam is what is seen. What is not seen is called opposite of that. Drushtam, adrushtam, unseen. That is called luck. Drushya dhatu, ta tanta, drushtam means seen. Adrushtam, unseen. So that is what we call luck. 5.
Chatrena asandaha ni.
Ta here simply is added. Neetaha. Asandaha neetaha. A chair is taken away, was taken by the student. Chatrena asandaha. A chair was taken by the student. Then 6.
Shishyena dakshina datta.
Datta, dirgha. Sishyena dakshina datta. The remuneration was given by the student, is given by the student. 7.
Maya samacharaha.
Simply add ta, shruta, and make it pullinga. Shrutaha. Maya samacharaha shrutaha means the news was heard by me. News is heard by me. 8.
Chorena vastuni.
Chur become chorita here. Vastuni choritani. Vastuni is plural, na? Vastu vastuni vastuni. So chorena by the thief, vastuni the articles or things, choritani are stolen by the thief. Items are things are stolen by the thief. 9.
Adhyapikaya uttaram jnatvam.
Just the add jnatam. That's all. Adhyapikaya by the teacher, lady teacher, uttaram jnatam. The answer is known by the, was known by the teacher, lady teacher. 10.
Gayakena geetam.
Ga becomes gi in the making of this past. Gata, not gatam, geetam. So geetam, geetam. Geetam, geetam. Even this word geetam, which is treated as noun, is also a verbal noun. So gayakena geetam, geetam. This is how this Gita is a Bhagavad Gita. Our Gita is also like this. Bhagavata Gita, Bhagavad Gita.
Balikaya shlokaha.
Smru, just add ta, smrutaha. Balikaya Slokaha Smrutaha. A sloka is remembered by the girl. Yes, 12.
Nirikshakena Prashnaha.
Pracha becomes Prushta. Prucha. Sorry. Prucha becomes Prush. Prucha plus the Prushta it becomes. Changes are there. Prushta. Prashnaha Prushtaha. So what is the meaning here? Nirikshakena, by the examiner, questions are asked. Next. Govindena Preshita. Then idagama will be coming there. Preshitaha. Preshtana. Preshitaha. Preshitaha. Presha. So Govindena Madhavaha Preshitaha. You may have a doubt here. Govinda, Madhava, both are same, na? So some two names of two different boys here. So Madhava was sent by Govinda. 14.
Anaya Katha.
Here also ta can be directly added with e rachita. Rachita. Katha rachita. So Anaya Katha rachita. The story is written by this woman. Anaya is Strilinga Shabda. Strilinga pronoun Anaya. Etaya. 15.
Upadhyayena Vedaha Bodhitaha.
Buddha. Bodha is different. Buddhaha. Known. Vedaha. Buddhaha. Bodhitaha means taught. Buddhaha means known. Known. That is it. Bodhita. Slight variation. A lot of meaning is there. So Vedaha Buddhaha. So Buddha is a person who has known things, Srinivas. We call Buddha. Who is a Buddha? One who has understood. He is called Buddha. Enlightened person. That is it. So Buddha Dhatu, Tanta, you get Buddha word. Next, 16.
Matra Putra Taktaha.
Tarja to threaten. Tarjita. Tarjitaha. Tarjana is threatening. Matra Putraha, a son is threatened by mother. Tarjita. Tarjanam. Tarjana Bharjana we say. Tarjana Bharjana. 18.
Devena Durjana.
17, sorry.
Dandita.
Danditaha. Devena Durjanaha Danditaha. A wicked person is, wicked person is punished by God. Devena Durjanaha Danditaha. 18. Marjarena Kshiram. Not Patam. Pa becomes P. Pitam. Marjarena Kshiram Dugdham Pitam. So milk was drunk by a cat. 19.
Mahodayena Prabandhaha.
Now here Vacha will get its samprasarana. Vu. Va becomes U. Uch plus ta. The chakara also become kakara. Uktaha. So Mahodayena Prabandhaha Uktaha. The Prabandha is a kavya. A poem was recited by the gentleman. Uktaha. 20.
Devadattena Gramaha
Gataha. Gam becomes Gataha. Devadattena Gramaha Gataha. So Devadatta went to the village. This if you so this way we'll just sum up. Tavatu is immediately coming, Srinivas. Immediately Tavatu is coming. Past. This is past passive participle. That is what is going to come in the next class is past active participle. This is was seen, is seen, in that sense we are. That is has seen. Ramaha Vanam Gataha. Ramaha Vanam. Active sense also we use Tanta sometimes. Ramena Ravanaha Maritaha. Isn't it? Ramaha Ravanam Maritavan. Rama had killed Rama. Ravana, sorry. Ramaha Ravanam Maritavan. The change in Maritaha and Maritavan we are going to see tomorrow. So rapidly going with these two. Patitaha. 3. Kavita Likita. Chitram Drustam. Asandaha Neetam. दक्षिणा दत्ता समाचारः श्रुतः वस्तूनि चोरितानि उत्तरं ज्ञातं गीतं गीतं प्लीज मेक द ऑब्जर्वेशन हियर गीतं गीतं श्लोकः स्मृतः प्रश्नाः पृष्ठाः माधवः प्रेषितः कथा रचिता वेदाः बुद्धाः पुत्रः तर्जितः दुर्जनः दण्डितः क्षीरं पीतं प्रबन्धः उक्तः ग्रामः गतः. These are the participles. We'll write. It won't take much time in the next class. Shubham Bhuyat.